welcome to my AIWrappers review. So in a nutshell, AIWrappers is a brand new AI-based software, as you can see over here, and it allows us to create AI software which you can completely rebrand and white label as your own in your own custom domain, while the hosting would be done by AIWrappers, and you can deploy them live within minutes. No expertise required, even no prompt writing is required. All you need to do is give inputs in your natural language, in whatever language you know. It supports over 50 plus languages, all popular languages supported. And the best part, you can control everything, like the input forms, like the outputs. You can even control whether you want it to generate leads, or you want to sell it directly, or you want to give them away as valuable bonuses. All of that can be done. The best part over here is that it comes with done for you templates. Over hundreds of templates are there on different things like text, images, videos, audios. All of that is there. You can go ahead and use these templates and create AI apps like a breeze within minutes. Now, that being said, AIWrappers can be closely compared with other softwares like Lovable, but Lovable actually costs you a monthly fees. Secondly, Lovable doesn't give you any hosting. You need to manage it. Thirdly, you need to manage all the API integration. But with AIWrappers, you get hosting done for you. You get the API integrations. You get all the backend managed by AIWrappers itself. You don't need to intervene in anything. And the best part over here is that it comes for a one-time low price. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this AIWrappers review, because I've got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses and an $80 coupon code as well. Now, in order to check out my bonuses for this AIWrappers review anytime during this AIWrappers review after watching it, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. Every feature is explained over here. You can take your time to go through that. And then once you scroll down, you're going to find my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are insane. The first of my bonuses is 100 premium bonus vault, which are softwares with giveaway license even. Then I'm giving you super affiliate programs, Rebuild Riches Pro, which contains 200 plus recurring commission giving programs in over 17 niches. And all of them are ClickBank, so that you don't need to wait for approval. Apart from that, I'm going to give you some of the best softwares for AIWrappers. Number one, I'm going to give you done for you prompt writer app for AIWrappers, from which you can develop your prompts, which can be later used in AIWrappers. I'm going to show you. Then I'm also going to give you brand icon generator that can help you to generate your brand logos and everything. Then I'm going to give you AI explainer video script generator, using which you can create AI explainer videos, or you can actually design apps that can create them, right? Then I'm going to give you AI pricing strategy analyst, and I'm also going to give you app landing page copy generator. So all of this you are going to get. Apart from this, you are going to get 2 of my exclusive and most highest rated Udemy courses, as you can see, on faceless automation and YouTube channel building. Apart from this, I'm going to give you 100 plus HD courses. I'm going to give you 100 softwares with reseller rights. I'm going to give you 57 done for you websites, VidRanker Pro. I'm going to give you Seller Central Profit Pro. I'm going to give you VidPower Pro, and plenty of them are there. There are traffic software, graphic software, video marketing software, website building software, funnel building software, and whatnot. Then if you scroll further down, you are going to find another bonus package, as you can see over here, and this is going to be exclusively available if you pick up the bundle deal of AIWrappers. And this consists of many premium software. First of them is one-click AI sites that can generate websites from a single piece of instruction using AI. And the best part, it gives you the hosting for free as well. Then I'm going to give you 30 premium tools website. You can find the 30 tools over here. You can actually deploy them anywhere that you wish to and can make money from it. Then I'm going to give you access to Doodle Builder Animation Pro, which consists of a ton of props and characters in Doodle kind of interface. Then I'm going to give you Vid Builder AI. Then I'm going to give you all-in-one apps bundle with over 3,500 plus apps. Then I'm going to give you 5,000 plus drop shipping products done for you. Then I'm going to give you all-in-one graphics bundle. All of these are going to be done for you, right? Apart from this, you also get access to TubeClip AI that can convert a long-form video into a multiple short-form video, blog income accelerator. I'm going to give you a ranking software on Google and YouTube. And there are plenty other softwares, as you can see over here. You can go through this at your own time. There are over hundreds of softwares as bonuses, so it's not really possible for me to cover them all in this AIWrappers review. So I do urge you to please go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, and check out for yourself how premium my bonuses are. That being said, now it's time for an AIWrappers demo. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has, the upsells that it has, and also I'll be revealing the bundle deal of AIWrappers. And as promised, I'm also going to let you know the $80 coupon code as well. So stay tuned till the end of this AIWrappers review. Hey, welcome to this AIWrappers demo within the AIWrappers review, and this is what the dashboard looks like. And as you can see over here, I have built multiple apps with this. Now, I'm going to exactly show you how I did that. But before that, I just wanted to let you know that in here, you have this integrations tab, right? You can come over here, and in here, you can integrate whatever AI you need to use. Like there is OpenAI, there is Claude, there is Google Gemini, there is Replicate, there is Fal AI, there is Stripe as well for taking payments. Now, you can easily generate your OpenAI API key as well, and you can get started. No issues with that. That being said, you can create apps in 2 ways. Number one is this AI creator, by which you can actually chat with this AI engine and create your own app, right? Or you can just come over to this templates, and from here you can build your app. Now, there are done for you apps. As you can see, there are plenty of done for you apps which you can use. Say, for example, let's take a practical case like a YouTube thumbnail generator. There are plenty of them, right? So what we can do is that we can just click on deploy. Say, for example, you want to build your own YouTube thumbnail generator. Then you can give it a name over here. Say Shayan's thumbnail app, just for an example. And then on the description, you can write about what the app does. So this looks quite good. So let it be. Then in here, you can upload your logo so that it looks like your app. So let me do that. So let us upload our logo over here. And as you can see, it has been uploaded, right? Now we can just go ahead and click on next. Now this will take us to the second step, as you can see, and in this second step we need to choose a model. Now in here you can see the current model is GPT image 1. Now you can see all models that are available over here as well. If you want to choose another model, you can do that from here. You can see there are plenty of other models that are available. Now in here you can also find what the input fields are, like your image description, what kind of image you want to generate, and then the quality option, enhanced capabilities, and the aspect ratio. You can see that, right? Now you can change this model as well. That's up to you. I'm not doing that, and it's very easy. As you can see, you just can click through this, and then in here you can find the system prompt that is being used to generate this. You can see over here. So you don't need to know any bit of prompt writing. All of this is handled by the AI. But if you want to make changes, you can do that as well. So let's go over to the next step. And in here, you can design the interface. As you can see over here, you can just come to this. What you see is what you get kind of builder, from where you can actually go ahead and build this. You can see it takes the email. So this can actually act as a lead generator. That means if somebody wishes to use your app, they need to submit their email, right? And then you can take a preview of this as well. Like this is exact form that would be shown. If you want to change the colors and all, you can do that. Let me show you that. You can just come over here and you can change the colors. You can see. So if I wish to make all these colors red, I can do that as well, like this. So that's all doable. And then on the powered by, I just need to change this so that my branding comes up. So it's pretty easy, as you can see over here. Then you can actually go ahead and customize all the text as well. I'm not doing that, but you can do that at your own time. Then coming over to the next step, we can control the access, like the number of access that they can do. We can limit the usage rate, that is the number of times they can use it. Say for example 1 or 2 or 3, we can give a trial of something like that, right? Then we can actually enable the captcha protection as well, so that the robots don't use it up. And then in here we can have the access control, like we want to keep it free or we want to keep it password protected. Say for example, I can manually ask for money, and then once I receive the money, I can transfer the password to them. We can work in that way as well. Or we can make it a paid app as well. We can actually set up the pricing like a one-time purchase or a subscription occurring every month or year. We can set up the price, we can set up the currency, all of that. We just need a Stripe integration in order to do this, right? So currently I'm keeping it free, and then let's go over to the next step. And in here you can see it's by default in this subdomain, but if you want to integrate it in your custom domain, you can do that. Just come over to this custom domain, and from here you just need to configure your DNS, right? You can just get the CNAME and all, and boom, you are done. Now once all of this is done, I'll click on publish. And as you can see, the app is live, right? And you can see this. So this is not only in draft, but this is actually live. So let's copy this and let's come over to this and let's paste this. And you can see over here, the app is actually live, right? Now we can give it a name. We can give it an email. Then we can have a video title or the topic, right? Like what the video is all about. Say, for example, I'm creating a video on how to rank #1 in YouTube, just for an example. And then the main visual idea of the object or the feature. So I'm giving over here ranking on top of YouTube for a search term, right? And then the tone of the style, we can have it like, say, for example, cinematic. And then in here, we want to include text on thumbnail or not. So let us include this as yes. And once we do that, thumbnail will contain text as well, right? So let's click on generate and let's wait for the results. And by the way, you can actually customize all of this, like all that is being written over here. And as you can see, it's Science Thumbnail App powered by NK Academy. So you can see all of this is white label. All that you need is add a custom domain and boom, you are done. So let's wait for the results. And boom, as you can see, this is the results that we get. And you can see a clear picture depicting #1 ranking for search on YouTube. And here's the text, how to rank #1 in YouTube. So that's quite cool. You can right click and click on save image, and you can save this image and use it wherever you wish to. So that's how cool the stuff is. Now that being said, this all happened right in front of your eyes within a few seconds, right? Now I've already created some other apps as well. Let me show you them. So let's go for my apps. And in here, as you can see, there are plenty of apps that I've generated. This one I've generated live in front of you. And then there's the virtual try on that I've generated, right? So if you want to review this app, you can click on this preview. And in here, you can just go ahead and give your details. And then in here, you can upload an image. Now, all this app does is that it takes an image and then it gives a virtual clothing on that. And you can see virtual try on, like how the clothing fits to you. So in here, let me use one of my avatar picture. As you can see, this guy over here is wearing something different, right? And then on the virtual clothing, I'm going to use a blue business suite, just for an example, right? So you can imagine this as a drop shipping business or a product promotion business. Whatever product you have, you can have this as a virtual try on, right? And now let's click on generate, and boom, look at this. This is quite miraculous, I must say. You can just go ahead and save this image and you can actually use them anywhere that you wish to. So you can find the way it works. It is actually quite amazing, I must say. That being said, let me show you another app that I had generated, and this time I will show you a video generating app. So let's go ahead and take a preview. And in here, as you can see, this is image to a video generator. So let's again input our details. Now, by this way, you are also building your list, remember, right? So you would know exactly which kind of person are looking out for which kind of softwares. Then you can go ahead and upload the image. So this, I'm going to upload just the image that I had created with AIWrappers app itself, right? The blue suit one. And in here, I'm going to give a motion description. So I've given subtle hand movements and natural eye blinks and lip movement, like explaining something, right? So I'm going to make a talking avatar. So that's the main thing. So let's go ahead and click on generate. So in here, it has come up with the video. So let's play this and look at this subtle hand movement, the lip movement, eye blinking, all of that is happening, right? So now we can go ahead and download this as well. So as you can see, it can create videos, it can create images, image to video, text to video, text to image. It can create anything and everything that you wish to. It can create a calorie counter, a calorie step generator, all of that can be readily usable and sellable in the marketplace. That being said, I really hope that you have loved the power that AIWrappers have. Now, I have shown you all of these using the templates, and remember, there are over hundreds of templates. But then what if you want to create anything from scratch? You can do that as well. Don't worry. So for this, we'll go over to create via chat. We had created that app as well over here. As you can see, this Tube Ranker Pro. This app that I had created was using this chatting, as you can see over here. And in here, you can go ahead and design this. And on the right-hand side, you can see this kind of preview, and you can go ahead and generate this. So this is also very easy to do, but I would say that if you are brand new, try to create it from templates, because this is more easier. That being said, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed the power that AIWrappers brings to the table, and I'm sure you'd be itching to have this in your armory. If that is so, then why not via my link, because I'm giving you the best in class bonuses that you can have for this AIWrappers review. Now, once again, if you want to check out my bonuses, you can feel free to go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should again take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the AIWrappers sales page. That should look something like this. And from here, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to AIWrappers along with all my bonuses thrown for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. However, if you have got any problems in receiving my bonuses, you can always reach out to us on this WhatsApp number that you can see on screen or on our email address. So now it's time for our AIWrappers review pricing. And on the front end, it's going to be costed at only $42 one-time price. But then there's a coupon that gives you $5 off, which brings the price down to $37. And at this price, with these features, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. Now, I'll leave the coupon code in the description. You can actually use that. Now, on the front end, you can see you can build up to 10 AI apps, and you can connect up to 5 workspaces, right? And you have 5 AI messages per day. The next upgrade that they have is the Pro version, and this unlocks Pro models and Pro templates. So I would actually suggest you to get hold of that, because you get Pro templates, and then you get 10 Pro templates per month for 12 months. So that means 120 plus Pro templates. Absolute no-brainer to have at a one-time price of $67. The next upgrade that they have is the OTO 2, which is the Platinum version, and this actually allows you to restrict the usage of your apps. That means you can give your subscribers a free trial or a limited trial, and then you can actually charge them as well. So that feature can be used in this. You can also add the captcha, and you can have the full usage history including user inputs, right? So this is the one that I was talking about. Let me show you over here. We just need to come over to this My Apps, and from here, say for example, if I want to know who all has used my apps, I can come over here. I can click on View Analytics. And from here, as you can see, we can come over to this View All Generations. And from here, you can see we can get all this data, like the email addresses. We can export them one click, and we can build our list. So for this, the Platinum upgrade is necessary. So this makes it a recommended upgrade as well. The next upgrade that they have is the agency. And in here, you can create unlimited workspaces, and you can add 10 custom domains. That means you can actually start your agency of AIWrappers, right? And then you get all the selling materials as well. And then the OTO 4 is AIWrappers reseller, and at $97, you get access to 50 reseller accounts. That being said, all of these OTOs are good. So I do recommend you to get hold of the bundle deal, as you can see. And the bundle deal is going to be priced at $268. But remember, as I told you, I'm going to give you an $80 coupon code, which brings the price down to $188. And at this price, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. You get all of this. You can see front end, Pro, Platinum, agency, and the reseller. At $188, remember, this is an absolute no-brainer to have. And then once you get hold of the bundle deal, there's going to be an optional bump on that, which is going to be the Mega Unlimited. This actually helps you to create unlimited apps, unlimited messages per month, unlimited custom domain, unlimited leads, and 3 years of unlimited hosting. So all of this you can get on top of $188. You need to pay this $297, and you can get hold of everything. However, this is optional. You can get started with the bundle as well, and once you start to scale, you can get upgraded as well. But then that's totally up to you. If your budget permits, you can get both of them, or at least get this bundle deal, because it's highly recommended and very, very budget friendly as well. If you don't have the budget in case, then you should go for at least the front end and the Pro. That's the minimum that you should. So that being said, these are all based on my recommendation and my expertise. You can feel free to act according to your own decision. Just go through the sales page and act accordingly. So that being said, it brings me to an end of this AIWrappers review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding any part of this AIWrappers review, we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off.